Faith Forum Kabadai Kaseng Jong Barok Kikin Hun Jong Kijai Niam Baper Baper Kibakentup Yaki Balang Khristan Barok Hakajila Nangta Naka Niam Sek ke Central Puja Committee ke Niam Muslim Bat Kaseng Kiniam Tre Nalor ki Weipat Hakajanmiet Jong Kesengi Thoding Kila Pelong Ya ke Jingïalang Hapo Ying Archbishop ke Jila Niam Pak Shillong ke Bahalai Umkra ke Badairu Ha Cathedral Jong ke Balang Katolik Hangane ke Jingïalang ke Balai Shimbenta da Kino Yalam Niam Baper Baper Layakren Halor ke Jingjia Nyau Bain Jong ke Wei ke Reunion ke Banagaro Hills ke Balai Shah Penhir Jubor na ke Bos Tang dan kadau jong ke Jingïalang Hapo Assam ke Shillong All Faith Forum SAFF hadin ke Jingïalang kala kentu ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya bat Sorkar Assam banyak kren bat ban Pyndik ha ke Bayade bat kikam Tombor ya ki Rungit Khristan ki basa hakitain kapot ha ke Jingïalang layak kren Halor ke Jingmi ki kubor Shah Tombor bat Shah berngem ki Rungit Khristan hakitain kapot jong ke Jelam Meghalaya bat Assam Presiden ke SAFF Bishop Pio Lelingdo Wala ong ke Jinglong Jingman hapok ke Ri India hapok ke Tain Setelam Mingi kamtam hapok ke Kapot ke Jelam Meghalaya kalasaki ya ke Jingsha Tombor bat Syak berngam ki Rungit Ula ong mensua ke Tain Setelam Mingi ke de ke Tain ke Baim hapedeng ke Jingïalang Shengain bat Jingsuk jong borok ki Rungit wat la ki don de ki spak telikiniam ki riulom ki ten telet bat ki tidusto na lor ki wei ki jai penriu Ubisha Balang bakane ke Jingstang Seki ke Jingsha Tombor bat Syak berngam ki Rungit kalak banderu nama ke Jingdon ki basim kebu ki katto kat nengut ki bakwa mentoi simat kamtam bamenta balajan ke election hakane ka SAFF ki don ki kinhun niam baper kumna ke niam Muslim Sikh niam tre ka Central Puja Committee pat ki Balang Khristan baper kane ke Jingïalang ke bayalam da Presiden ka forum Reverend Bishop Pilingdo Ubadai Presiden bat Reverend Father Richard Majau kum General Secretary bat ki wei ki dekat
used to be a peaceful region so far, in spite of the fact that hundreds of different tribes, different communities, different languages and customs and practices exist in Northeast India. But of late, we all know what's happening in Manipur and what is happening in Assam now. And sadly and very alarmingly, we see the signs that even Meghalaya is being touched now in the borders area. So as South, members of different faiths are in South. We have the Hindus, we have Muslims, we have the Sikhs, we have the Buddhists, we have Saint Raj, we have Saint Kasi, almost all the faith communities in Shillong, in Meghalaya are in South. So as a forum, this is what we want to convey to all our people in the state of Balang and even to Assam, If it is possible for all of us, different faith communities, to come together as South. South is a testimony. South is an example of how we can come together with understanding, with love, with tolerance. We are together. We speak with one voice. It should be possible even in other states and other places. So this is our message to our people in the state and to our neighboring states as well. Elections are coming, and there are fringe elements who would like to take advantage of the situation, and they want to provoke different communities. We want to appeal, certain appeals we want to make to our state as well as to other states. Number one, we appeal to the government of Meghalaya and to the government of Assam. They should continue to talk, find out the truth, and not just talk, take steps. Take steps to prevent any untoward incident. We appeal to political parties because these are all connected to politics, to the elections coming. We appeal to all political parties. Kindly be mindful of what you speak, and how you speak, and what you do. Not to create divisions and hatred among the people. And we appeal to all citizens of Meghalaya and Assam to be alert, to be mindful, to be careful of these elements that try to bring about, to create disturbances, misunderstandings, divisions among people for political mileage. These can be connected to politics. So to our own people in Meghalaya, we appeal that be careful of what you hear, of the news, of the messages you receive from here and there. Because many may be false, may be fake news. So we should not succumb to this kind of news. We want peace, we want harmony in times of normal times and in times of distress, and even as elections are coming, everyone is excited. We should try our best to maintain peace and harmony among all people, so that all may be well. This has been the tradition, the name of Meghalaya as a state of peace and harmony, and we should all try. We call upon all residents, citizens of our state Meghalaya, especially in the border areas, to be calm, cool, maintain peace and harmony with one another.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center